Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fold lehenga with cane the right way. This method not only keeps your outfit in pristine condition but also make it easy to store. Let's dive in. First, lay your lehenga flat on a clean surface and start with the cane. That's the crinoline and petticoat that add volume. If it's detachable, remove it carefully. If not, just fold the lehenga within it in place. Next, gather the lehenga at the waistline and start folding it in half, and make sure to align the edges neatly. Now let's focus on the cane. If it's a separate pieces, fold it separately in half as well, and then roll it up from the bottom to avoid any creasing. If it's attached, gently tuck the excess fabric of the lehenga into the waistline of the cane. Once you have both pieces folded neatly, it's time to create a compact bundle. Fold the lehenga into thirds and ensuring that all layers are smooth and there are no wrinkles. For added protection, consider wrapping your folded lehenga in a breathable fabric or placing it in a garment bag. This will keep dust away and maintain its shape. Finally, store your folded lehenga in a cool, dry place, perfectly hanging if space allows. This prevent any unwanted creases and keeps your outfit looking fresh for your next occasion. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to hold your lehenga within a cane. Remember, taking care of your outfit, ensuring they last longer and look fabulous every time you wear. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and every like, comment, share fuel my passion to create content that resonate with you. I truly appreciate the time you spend here, and I know time is valuable, and it's an hour that you choose to invest in it. My content, each video is crafted with care, aiming to inform, entertain, and inspire you in some way. Your feedback is invaluable. It guides me in understanding what you love and what you want to see more of. I am committed to continuously improving and delivering content that meets your expectation. If you have not already, don't forget to hit that follow button. Join our growing community where we can share ideas, experience, and support one another. I want to hear from you. What topic excites you? What challenge you are facing? Your input saves this channel and help us all grow together. And remember, sharing is caring. If a video resonates with you, share it with your friend and family who might benefit from it too. Let's spread knowledge and positivity together as we move forward. I promise to keep pushing boundaries and exploring new ideas. Together we can create a space that inspire creativity and connection. So stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Once again, thank you for being part of this journey. Your engagement makes all the difference, and I can't wait to see where we go next. Keep shining, keep smiling, and let's make every moment count. Till then, bye, take care guys, thank you.